Hey mini artist, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to draw Pikachu. And our Pikachu is gonna be listening to music through his headphones. So pick up your pen and follow me along. To begin with, we are going to draw the body of Pikachu. And his body is consisted of two circles that are stacked on top of one another. So let's draw the first one, which is his head. And this circle is twice as big as the other circle. Now, if you're using a pen, you may not draw the circle fully, but if you're using a pencil, you can actually draw two circles on top of one another and then erase the lines. But if you're using a pen, just follow me along and see what I do. So to start with, we are going to draw the first circle. Almost a circle, not a full circle. And then this one. Goes on like that. And then the other one is going to be this. So since we're doing his head, we are going to draw his forehead first of all. So it's going to be something like this. Bend a line. And then for his chin, we are going to skip this one, since, you know, Pikachu doesn't have a chin. And then for his body, we are going to draw another almost of a circle, something like this. And then from this side, something like this. And now we are going to draw his hands. Something like this. And then for his other hand, something like this. So we are going to connect this part to this part. Make him look like he's sitting. And then for his foot, you're going to do something like this. And this is his belly. So this is the body of the Pikachu. Now we're going to switch to a finer details pen. And we're going to draw his eyes. Something like this. Just make sure that the white part of his eye is as big as it's big. Just leave it at that. Something like this. And then for his other eye, it's going to be on, just make sure that it's landed. It's going to be on this line. So the bottom part of it is going to be like this. The upper part of it is going to be there. Like this. And there you go. That's his eye. Just doing a little bit of touch up to make it a appealing circle. There you go. And then for his nose, we can do small hearts. Something like this. And that is his mouth. As usual, our Pikachu smiling. Now let's do his cheeks. Circle like this, and the other circle should be this one flipped the other way. So it's gonna be like this. All right, there we go. That's the body of our Pikachu. Now for the next part, we are going to draw the headphones. First, let's focus on the headphones, and then we are gonna go after his ears. So, if you have any headphones at home, you know the shape. It's two big cans stacked on one side, each side of the Pikachu's head. So first we are going to draw the right can, something like this. And then for the right can, we're just gonna do the same thing but on the other side. And then connect these two by a bent line. Something like this. And something like that. All right, perfect. Now the headband of the headphone is basically a half circle. So connect these two by a half circle. And then another one. Something like this. And for added effect, you could add another line to each side of the headband, like this. There you go. And that is the headphone of our Pikachu. Now, when it comes to his ears, we are going to draw him just like it's behind the headphone. So let's draw two bunny ears. So if it comes from here, this line is behind the headphone. Something like this. And then this one comes from here and goes over there. And then the same for the other side. So this is almost behind this can, behind the headband, so we're not going to draw anything. We're going to start from here. Do one just like this. And since Pikachu has some lines on his ear, we are gonna do one and then another one for here, something like that. Okay, perfect. So that's the body of our Pikachu, that's the headphone, those are his ears, and the last part is his tail. So it's like a lightning shape. So we are gonna draw it from here. This one goes behind. So if it, this comes out of here. And then this part is another zigzag shape. That's another bent line, and there you go. And there you have it. This is our Pikachu who's listening to some music. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like if you like the video and subs if you love the video. See you guys next time.